Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, quick update on the car. For some of you guys who are subscribed to the channel, you guys will know that I had the Flowmaster exhaust, the axle back with the valves. So I had, like the little switch on my key fob right here where I could, open and shut off the valves to make it loud or quiet. So I don't know if the muffler was defective or what happened, but the mufflers blew out. I'll post a picture real quick of what the muffler looked like the top part was like cracked. I don't know if maybe because of me being catless and all the extra heat from the blower and all that stuff, it could have broke the baffles or something. But I'll also post a clip of what it sounded like before, and it would rattle like really bad. So anyway, Flowmaster was cool. They were like, send it back, we'll refund you. So which is what I did, and I ended up picking up a Borla S-Type for the car. And I'm hoping this is Borla's, I think, a little bit better quality, so I feel like I shouldn't have issues with the Borla, but we'll see. Maybe for some of you boosted guys out there, have you guys had issues where the mufflers blow out? Is that a common thing? I've never had that happen to me before when I was NA, so I was like, I don't know why I would be doing it now. It happened to the stock resonator as well, and the stock muffler. Anyway, without further ado, I'll put some clips of the new exhaust system for the car, some revs, some flybys, some clips from the inside, for those of you guys who want the exhaust. So the setup on the car is Texas Speed catless long tube headers with the Borla S-Type full catback. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So we got the car right here. Another little thing I did on the car was the new badge with the 5.0 supercharge. Gotta know it's not NA. Anyway, yeah, back here, what you guys want to see, we've got the Borla S-Type. So it's got the mufflers and it's got resonators as well, all the way down, connects to the headers all the way down there. But yeah, this is a warm start real quick for you guys. And I'll give it a couple revs as well so you guys can hear what that sounds like. But I'm really happy with the exhaust so far. It's been on the car for about, I would say, probably like a week. Yeah, and so I don't drive it too much, but so far it's been solid. It doesn't drone on the inside, and it's kind of quiet. I would say, like, if you're just driving normal, like, it's a bit louder than stock, which I like, because here in my city I've gotten pulled over for loud exhaust before and it sucks. Anyway, if you're looking for a louder version, the Borla Attacks will definitely be louder than this. But let me throw in some rev clips real quick for you guys. So inside, guys, this is just kind of what it sounds like. It's pretty quiet right now. I'm just in regular mode. It's got like a nice little, you know, like deep tone to it, deeper than stock obviously, but it's not too crazy, like I said, which I like that because I don't want to get pulled over. Obviously when you do step on it like hard, and you're at like, you know, 3,000-4,000 RPMs, obviously it's loud, but right now, you know, just kind of, I'm at like 2,000, you know, not that loud. Like I said, no drone, can't really hear, you know, anything inside. Perfect, you can have a conversation. So far, you know, I'm really pleased with the exhaust. Like I said, you know, at the beginning of the video, if any of you guys are boosted and you guys have this exhaust, or, you know, any other exhaust, have you guys had issues with the baffles braking or not? Let me know down in the comments. And you know, thank you guys for all you guys who have been subscribed. I do got more mods coming for the car. I'm going to be doing the fuel system pretty soon, to run E85, you know, push some more power. I also want to do, you know, a couple exterior mods like the carbon trunk, and like a carbon diffuser, carbon hood maybe. So yeah, we still got lots of plans for the Mustang, so stay tuned for that. But that's pretty much going to be it for the video. Let me know what you guys think about the new exhaust, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching.